Hi UK Canoers and welcome back to our channel.
Back paddle on the River Cam.
Oh, do it again!
We had our own personal band.
Yeah.
And Joe was doing it to the rhythm.
He got a bit camera shy, that guy, but that was so funny when he just burst into song.
Oh yeah.
I'm pumping up my boat. I'm praying that it floats. That's what he did, wasn't it?
Yeah. Way.
Come on, Joe, use those guns. So this was with a paddle with Kat and Joe from Walk My World.
Through Cambridge, through the River Cam, to go and see some bats.
And we were just checking the weather.
So this was quite late in the evening, after work.
In 3, 2, 1, getting in now. We didn't fall in.
Very orange, aren't I?
Draw to the left.
Yes. Definitely hard to miss.
What direction are we heading?
South. Into the centre, from the north side. From Jesus Lock.
Look at that beautiful flat water.
But also see no punts on the water.
Oh, punts on here don't give a shit about you, by the way. Oh. They will absolutely hit you if they just feel like it.
The one and only time we've gone through Cambridge and had no other people on the water, really. There's a couple.
Lovely.
360.
It's great to go through the city. I love it.
It's definitely very scenic.
There's our Insta 360. Almost touching the bridge.
Yeah, this definitely gets close a few times.
The Bridge of Sighs. That's what I love. You see how that water just hits that concrete architecture.
It's quite special.
That is what I love. That's what I love about this bit of water. I've just seen that, what you've done on the widget. Pat. Runner, ruining our camera shots.
This is next to King's College, isn't it?
Yeah.
One of the few punters.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this was
Correct.
that was the portage, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's cute, isn't it?
Cambridge, like city centre, is always so busy.
Oh, so busy. No cows this time though.
You get out on the right, don't you? You go back, I'll go that way.
And we'd only just done our training, so Claire's utilising her new draw stroke.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's putting it into practice.
Me first,
Applying my knowledge.
That's it. You step out.
Why do you always get bum shots of me?
You should have seen the other shot. It was a close-up of your bum with my head there.
You should be so lucky.
That's it, Tim, up you go.
You can actually see the light starting to fade. There's Scudamores,
Yep.
the higher place.
The Gumatux Theo.
Cat's favourite kayak.
Oh, it's easy enough for this.
Yeah. In.
Oh yeah, look, we had the bag in.
Coming in now.
Well, yeah, we had to take it all with us.
Yes. Oh, that was good.
You almost fell in, it's okay.
No, you didn't.
So you can see it's getting dark now.
It looks lighter there.
Yeah, phone cameras do it better. Unfortunately, GoPros and Insta360s aren't really designed for low darkness,
No.
low light or darkness.
Do you remember when we went under and then our paddles lit up because
Oh,
they're
yeah.
on the dark tape? That looks really pretty.
Mm.
Ah, this is where we caught up to the punts. The ones that we'd caught up to for the bat safari.
Oh yeah, that's definitely it. The guy at the front.
That looks nice, doesn't it?
I think we're going to crash into that tree.
That's us just doing a calming, relaxing paddle, trying to catch up to the punters so we could get the best spots to view the bats. We were also trying to listen to what they were saying to see if we could find out any interesting facts. That's stunning. That's like a vision of my dreams.
Well, that's intense.
Yeah, it's beautiful, don't you think?
Mm.
Yeah.
Grantchester Meadows are very majestic and beautiful and woody.
Especially when no one's around. So I hope that you guys go and do this as a canoe trip, but for those of you who aren't into that, you can go on those bat safaris, and there's somebody that always goes on the boat from the Wildlife Trust, where they talk to you about the different sounds of the bats, and you try and identify them en route. That's why we were trying to listen.
And look out for the little bugs, as you can see on there, because that's what they're feeding on. So if there's loads of bugs around, you're gonna find bats.
Trying to remember what month we went.
This was July.
Was it?
July 2023. So you should actually see some, it's hard to see them, but you can see specks of bats flying past.
There.
Slow it down a little bit because one comes quite close to the camera.
Oh yeah, wow.
You see a couple more. There's
Oh
another one,
wow. Oh Tim, you did such a great job.
They're very, very fast.
That was
Oh,
incredible.
there's a few.
Oh, you did so good on this film. Oh, I'm really proud of you. I can't believe you got such good filming. I was so like sure that you would never be able to see what it was really like there. Oh, that's really special. What?
I'm overwhelmed by that comment.
Are you actually? Yeah, because they were so fast. I never thought that they were going to come out properly, and it was so dark.
You should see a few swimming around here as well. A lot harder to see though because it's so dark.
Look at those bugs though.
I think I went for a red light because it's easier on the eyes. You don't lose your night vision.
I mean, oh yeah, I can see it all around you.
So many bugs.
Wow.
You can see why bats come out at night.
Oh, I actually remember just having that lantern on and being like, this is an experience of an absolute lifetime. This was the first night paddle we've ever done in the dark.
Yeah. Pretty special. Scary, special.
Surely not, because they only do Wow. We were moon hunting, I think, at this point, weren't
Yeah,
we?
there it is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Claire first seeing it for the first time there.
Moon behind the tree.
Wow, wow, wow. Like, who wouldn't want to do this? That's what I want to know.
Oh, I've got reflections.
I do recommend not going out on your own though. Definitely go out with a second boat just in case.
Yeah, only when it's pitch. But then a lot of people do night paddles on their own, sometimes even solo.
But if you're not confident
Yeah,
and new to the sport,
yeah.
definitely do it with other people to be safe.
Yeah, I think that's good advice. Oh, this is magical, isn't it? That makes me want to do it again, you know.
Technically we can, it's right now.
Yeah. Oh, it's August now, isn't it?
This is way less than it was earlier.
Oh yeah, no, it's really
Yeah, they're still out until about September.
Something from a horror movie.
So at this time of the year, it's the time that the mothers have their pups. And so you tend to see them in tandem flight, which is really cool and exhilarating. And it's the grey heron colony, if I remember correctly. And owl chicks. Oh, do you remember the owls? When we had the odd owls that
Oh
go,
yeah, we did.
"Ooh." Yeah.
Keep your torch on like that. I think I saw a bat swoop down on the water. You may be able to film it.
So into September, the bats are still feeding in abundance to build up their like body fat for the winter. So there's loads of insects around, but after that it dips off.
Look in the distance, Kim, and just hold it without moving around.
You're going to see a lesser spotted bat in a sec.
Oh, this is such great film.
There it is.
Oh, we were going back through the city, weren't we, to go back to the cars.
Back to Jesus Lock. But you can still see the city is quite pumping.
So from May into June, the bats come out of hibernation. So basically from May until September is when you want to be seeing them. Don't go kind of outside of those times because it'll be a waste.
But even at night, Cambridge is quite beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
We always said one day that we'll turn this into something where we do tours and stuff and take people out on this river.
Maybe, maybe.
It'd be really fun because we can share all of our knowledge and give people a great time. Hopefully that gives people something fun to look forward to doing.
Video done.